Elephant. Good job. What's this one called?
Elephant.
Elephant. Good job. What is this one called? What's this one called?
Duck.
Yes. What's this one called?
Duck.
Turtle. Good job. What is this one called?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Good job. What's this one called?
Moo.
Moo. It's a cow. Good job. What's this one?
Woof.
Roof, roof, doggy. Good job. What's this one?
Quack, quack.
Duck, quack, quack. Quack, quack. What's this one called? What's this one called, Lauren?
Lion.
Lion. Good job. What's this one called?
Zebra.
Baby bear. Yes. What's, we're missing one. What's this one called? Horsey. Gallop, gallop, gallop. What is... are we missing any? I think we lost some.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this one?
Rabbit.
Elephant. What's this one?
Moo.
Moo. Cow. What about this one? What's this one? What's this one? Roof, roof. Good job. What's that one?
Right?
Rabbit. Yes. What's this one? Cock-a-doodle-doo? Yes. What is this one? Baby bear? Yes. What is this one? Turtle. Yes. What's this one?
Wow.
Lion. Can you say lion?
Lion.
Yes. What's this one called? What's this one?
Moo.
No. What's horsey? How's a horsey go? Gallop, 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 gallop. Good job. What's this one? Turtle?
Yeah.
Can you say turtle?
All done.
All done. Okay.